She's saying more. Emery, where's the kitty?
I hate you. My cat gets all...
No, I want her to sit.
Where's the kitty?
Say kitty. Kitty.
Kitty.
Can you say puppy? Say Anna. Annie. Say please. Say cheese. Oh, please, more? That was cute.
Please. More, please. What color? Pink? Black or white? Bedtime's gonna be fun tonight. Do you want more pink?
Say please.
Please. Please.
She said yeah. Yeah, please.
Please. Do please. No, think. Please. More. Do more. More. Good job. Hold on.
Emery, say daddy.
You're recording. No.
Say Dawn. Say, what else can she say? Juice. Say juice. No.
Puppy.
Good job. Can you say Macy? No, that's a kitty and you probably shouldn't touch it.
You say kitty? Say Sheldon.
Say mommy.
Mama.
What are you doing?
That's
Dada?
what Dada would do.
Say grandpa. Say grandpa. Papi? Where's grandpa? Bob? Say
Era.
good job.
Give 5. High 5.
Emery, where's your eyes? Where's your ears? Where's your mouth? Where's your nose? Good.